is Zhenyi, and I have been at GIIS AEPP program since May. A few months back, I wouldn't be talking English like this. The AEPP course is really helping me learn English not just for talking to my friends, but actually helping with my school.
What is the purpose of education if it can't reach people from all backgrounds? At GIIS, we believe that education should be inclusive and empowering, no matter where a student comes from or what language they speak. As a truly international school, we welcome students from all the corners of the world to join our AEPP English Preparatory Program, an exclusive course for non-English speaking students that builds strong written and spoken English schools, ensuring a smooth and confident entry into mainstream education. Come, discover our AEPP classes in action at our Smart Campus.
Hello and welcome to our AEPP classroom. I'm Mr. Roy, the academic head for the Academic English Preparatory Program at the GIIS Smart Campus. As a school with the vision of shaping global citizens, we understand English medium education is more than just a language skill. It's a gateway to success in a globalized world.
Hi, I'm Damien, the AEPP Math and Science teacher. In our Math and Science classes, students learn how to think critically and explain concepts in English. We don't just teach content, we teach them how to succeed in an English medium mainstream classroom, just like everywhere else in the world. We have observed that these students are at the perfect age to pick up a new language and they are ready to dive in. All we have to do is to boost their confidence along the way.
Hello, I'm Ms. Sophia, the English teacher for the AEPP program at GIIS. We help students build their confidence in English, not just in grammar and vocabulary, but actual real-life conversations and academic discussions. We work closely with each learner to help them find their voice. When they practice or discuss a topic in a team or group, they learn from each other, take on the challenge to improve every time, and grow through the process. So it's always fun to teach my students a new language.
Our Academic English Preparatory Program is purposely designed to bridge this gap, empowering non-native English speakers to thrive in international classroom and beyond. Our program integrates English with math and science, helping students build the language and subject knowledge they need to succeed in real classrooms. At AEPP, learning is active and structured. We use a 5E learning cycle: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate to help students connect knowledge, practice new skills, and reflect on their learning. The course has a clear assessment plan in place. Students take quizzes, work on projects, and make regular checkpoints, which helps them track their progress and feel confident day by day.
Hi, I'm Zhongbo.
And I'm Kelly.
We are both AEPP students at GIIS. Here we learn English in a fun way.
Yeah, we don't just focus on English, we learn math and science in the English language too, so it feels like a real school day.
When we are having lunch or sitting in library, we also practice English together. We laugh at each other's mistakes, but we also help each other.
This video is just a glimpse of our AEPP journey. There's a lot more that goes on. Do visit us and experience the AEPP class. We'd love to show you what truly happens.
Thank you for watching. If AEPP sounds like the right fit for your child, our admissions team is ready to assist you with more details and the next steps.